Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I have a different planner video for you guys today. I got a Clever Fox Pro planner. I had actually been thinking about purchasing one of these planners. I had watched someone on YouTube do a video on it and I was like, that looks like an interesting planner. I should get one. And then, not joking, literally like a week later, they reached out to me and asked if they could send me a planner. So I was like, oh my gosh, that's so perfect. Yes, of course. They asked me which one I wanted sent. I didn't realize that this was out of stock. I told them that I had wanted the rose gold one. So they put me on a wait list to receive it. I was so happy that they let me do that. I didn't think they were going to let me do that. But I was debating between this one and like the smaller size lavender one because I thought that one was really cute. They have an assortment of colors. I was actually really debating between this one, the smaller lavender one, and then I think they had like a yellow one, but I don't remember. I think that one might have been just a dot grid notebook, but I really liked how vibrant the yellow looked. But you know, obviously I ended up going with this one because I knew I would be living in regret if I didn't get it. My main reason for picking this one was because the weeklies have habit trackers on it, but I had went back on the website after I had told them that I wanted this one, and I noticed that the regular smaller planners also have the habit trackers. So I don't know if it just, I probably just wasn't paying attention when I was looking at it, but it's fine. I like that this one is bigger. This one is probably a little bigger than the Happy Planner. All right, so this one is a little bigger than the Happy Planner. So if you don't count the rings, you know, it's maybe like almost an inch, maybe like 3/4 of an inch wider, and then maybe like an inch and a half taller. So definitely bigger than the Happy Planner. And then I'll show you guys my Wordsworth planner. All right, this is my Wordsworth planner, so you can see the size difference. And I actually think that their regular size planners are the size of this Wordsworth planner. All right, and then this is the size comparison to the hardbound Erin Condren. So just to give you guys an idea of the size of this planner, I will say it does kind of remind me of my Wordsworth planner. It does have like slightly different features, but it is mainly a goal oriented planner. So when you open it, you have your, you know, name page with the fox on the front. And then, you know, it has a couple questions for you to answer, kind of like really gets you reflecting like on yourself and your life and all of that. So it has you know, the awareness and self-discovery, daily rituals, which I can appreciate because I had been trying to do daily affirmations. I was on the ball for a while and then I stopped. So I might write my affirmations on here and just continue to do them every single day. It has a place for your vision board. And then this is kind of like what you want your life to be like 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So, and it has like the different areas in your life. I'm not gonna lie, these kinds of things freak me out. They scare me because I hate when people ask me, where do I see myself in 5 years? Because I never know the answer. You know, I'm like, I don't know where I see myself in 5 years. I know it's something that everyone should think about, but I don't know, thinking about the future just kind of, it makes me nervous, you know? But I know this is good for you to have so that you have a goal in mind and you know that you're working up to it. So I am going to force myself to fill this out and work towards my goals, because that is something that I've been discussing with, you know, good friends of mine, like have a goal in mind and actually work towards it, like a big picture goal, you know, if that makes sense. So I will definitely be filling this out even though it terrifies me. And then it has, you know, just your general 1-year goals, and then 3-month goals. And then it has a mind map. And then you move into your monthly. So I believe it has like a reflection. Yeah, your monthly reflection. And then it goes back to another monthly. And then every 3 months, you have your 3-month goal review and mind map. And this is undated. I mean, I'm sure you guys figured it out. So you have all your months in the front, and then your weeklies start. I don't know if I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm going to be using this mainly for social media. I might sprinkle, you know, actual other life things in here, because I think this would actually make a good life planner, because it does have like the balance for everything, you know, work, personal, habits, health, and then, you know, romance, relationships, and all of that. Mainly, I'm going to use it for social media, you know, my YouTube, Instagram, and then my other social medias that I have kind of fallen off on, even though I kind of fell off of YouTube and Instagram too. But yes, this is mainly what I will be using. I'm currently using my Happy Planner. There's an extension pack. I think it's like the goal extension pack. I don't remember what it's called. That's been working okay for me, but I want to try this and see if it'll help me stay more on top of my social media. So I'm gonna test this out and see how it works. And then in the back, you have a little pocket, as well as your, you know, how to use this planner with all the stuff that we just went over, and then a few sticker sheets. So you can purchase this planner on their website, cleverfox.com, or you can buy it off of Amazon. So if you got Amazon Prime, make sure you get that 2-day shipping, you know. All right, so we're gonna do the weekly spread today. I was watching my girl here on YouTube, Hey Planner Girl Hey. I will link her channel down below. I like the spreads that she does. I like her planners. You know, she's like on another planner level that I'm trying to get on, but haven't. But she did a tropical theme in her Bando planner. So I was like, you know what? I think I'll do a tropical theme too, because I haven't done one this year. So I pulled out my Birds of a Feather Flock Together sticker book from Michaels. I think she also used this in her Plant With Me. And then I have an extra sheet of like these tropical leaves, I forget what they're called, from a spread that I did a long time ago. And this is from one of the Happy Planner sticker books. I don't remember which one. And then I pulled out some washies that I thought were kind of tropical. I don't know. We'll see how this works out. And these are all from Michaels. All right. I feel like I've been talking a lot. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off by applying this tropical washi to the bottom of my page. I decided to go with this pattern because I liked how it matched the little tropical leaf stickers that I showed you guys earlier. That is from the Michaels tube that I showed you guys. And then I'm applying this pineapple washi to the top of my page to kind of balance everything out. This is also from the Michaels tube. And then these stickers are by Jen Hadfield. I purchased these from Tuesday Morning a while ago. It's funny because when I bought these, I started living in regret because I didn't think I was ever going to use them. And look at me now. So I'm taking these tropical leaf stickers and just placing it in that blank box in the middle of the page. I'm going to use this section as a brain dump, so I will write, well, I'm going to use like alpha letters to spell out the word brain dump, and I can just write down all of my deep inner thoughts. No, I'm just kidding. Just to write down any ideas that I have for, you know, my channel or Instagram or anything like that. And I forgot to mention while I was doing the flip through, this planner is actually a soft cover planner. I don't know if that makes a difference to any of you guys, but I was so surprised when the package came in the mail and I opened it and I could bend it. I don't know. I was shook. I just thought, wow, I really like this. I also wanted to read to you what it says on the cover when you purchase the planner. It says, by using Clever Fox Planner Pro, you can stay focused on your goals, develop good habits, feel happier, increase productivity, and live a more meaningful life. Which, when I read that, I was like, okay, yeah, Lord knows I need that. So let's try it out. So I just thought I would mention that to you guys. But basically, I'm going to finish just applying stickers from that Flock of a Feather sticker book. And I don't think I used any other sticker books, but if I did, I will mention it down below. I think the only other sticker book I did use was the Alpha stickers from Me and My Big Ideas to put that 2019. I was trying to put those Jen Hadfield stickers on there, the date ones, but I saw that how small it was and I was like, this does not look right. So I switched to the Happy Planner Alpha stickers. Alright, you guys, that is it for this plan with me. I will leave Clever Fox's website linked down below so you guys can check them out. If you are interested in this planner, let me know what you guys think, and also let me know what other planners you would like featured on this channel. I really hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!